This tutorial shows you different ways to customize your subtitle text and the boxes surrounding the text. Firstly, you should be on the social video editing screen with subtitles already loaded in. Once you do that, tap on the subtitles box where you can scroll to the right and adjust the size of your subtitles. You can also tap on the position to change the position of the subtitles. Then you could tap on the text button where you could change and customize the font. In this case, I'll customize it to Boogaloo. Then you could change the size of the subtitles. Don't forget, you can also change the color of the subtitles by scrolling to the right and clicking color. You can also change the letter spacing and the line height, as well as highlight color, stroke, shadow, and vertical offset. Then you have the edit where you can edit the border around the subtitle box. You can also fill the box with a different color. In this case, I'll go with a little bit of gray. Once you're satisfied, you can preview the subtitles by tapping on View. And lastly, once you're satisfied, you can tap on the check mark where you'll be able to preview all of the changes real time. And once you're completely satisfied, you can export the video with the subtitles burned in it